Chapter number 5, Probability. Sample space. A sample space is a set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. It is usually denoted by S or omega. Each element of a sample space is called as a sample point. Sample space can be written using the set notation of curly brackets. The number of elements in the set S is denoted by N of S. Experiment number 1, tossing of a coin. Possible outcomes are head or tails. Sample space S is equal to heads or tails. Experiment number 2, tossing of a die. Possible outcomes are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sample space, that is S, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before solving the practice set, give a look on the tables of the sample space given in the textbook. Practice set 5.2. The question is, in the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. See the given page of the calendar. The solution is, dates which are multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Therefore, S is equal to Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday, and Saturday. N of S is equal to 6. The days on which the date will be the multiple of 5 are Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday, and Saturday. The next question is, form a row safety committee of 2 for 2 boys B1 B2 and 2 girls G1 G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Therefore, the committee of 2 boys is equal to B1 B2, committee of 2 girls G1 G2, committee of 1 boy and 1 girl, that is equal to B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, and B2 G2. Therefore, the sample space is B1 B2, G1 G2, B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, and B2 G2. Event. The outcomes satisfying a particular condition are called as favorable outcomes. For example, if 2 coins are tossed, the sample space will be S is equal to H, H, HT, TH, and TT, and A is the event of getting at least one tail, then the favorable outcome are as follows. A is equal to TT, TH, HT. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. Events are generally denoted by the capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. The number of elements in the event A is denoted by N of A. Here N of A is equal to 3. Difference between sample space and event is that sample space is all possible outcomes and event is the outcome in particular condition. Event is a subset of the sample space. In the above given example, event A is given and the sample space will be S is equal to H, H, HT, TH, and TT. Practice set 5.3. Write sample space S and number of sample point N of S for each of the following experiment. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write N of A, N of B, N of C. Question number 4. Two-digit numbers are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digit. Therefore, sample space S is equal to 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25 are as follows till 54. Therefore, N of S is equal to 25. Condition for event A, the number formed is even, that is A is equal to 10, 12, 14 till 54. Therefore, N of A is 13. Condition for event B, the number formed is divisible by 3. B is equal to 12, 15, 21, 24 till 54. Therefore, N of B is equal to 9. Condition for event C, the number formed is greater than 50. Therefore, 51, 52, 53 and 54. Therefore, N of C is 4. Next question. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Let the 3 men be M1, M2 and M3 and the 2 women be W1 and W2. Out of these men and women, an environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Therefore, sample space S is equal to M1, M2, M1, M3, M1, W1, M1, W2 and so on. Therefore, N of S is equal to 10. Condition for event A, there must be at least one woman member. Therefore, M1W1, M1W2, M2W1, M2W2, M3W1, M3W2, W1W2. Therefore, N of A is 7. Condition for event B. One man, one woman committee to be formed. Therefore, M1W1, M1W2 and so on. So we get N of B is equal to 6. Condition of event C. There should not be a woman member. Therefore, M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3. Therefore, N of C is 3. The next question is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Therefore, sample space is equal to S is equal to H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Similarly, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Therefore, N of S is equal to 12. Condition for event A to get head or an odd number. Therefore, A is equal to H1, H3, H5. Therefore, N of A is equal to 3. Condition for B is to get head or tail and an even number. Therefore, B is equal to H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. Therefore, N of B is 6. Condition for event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. The greatest number on the upper face of the die is 6. Event C is impossible event, therefore C is a null bracket, therefore N of C is equal to 0. We have learned random experiments, outcomes, equally likely outcomes, sample space and events. These are the attributes that are used to calculate probability. So, before learning further, please do take the glance to all the above mentioned topics. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching the Academic Squad.